Welcome to my channel. Hi, let's start with a peaceful sunny day. Today, my morning starts with a fresh lemon tea and a delicious Finnish pulla. This is the winter in Finland, but the sun rays never stops giving surprises beneath my windows. Wow, what a wonderful morning. What a peaceful vibe. I'm watching silently above the sky from my place, enjoying each bite of a pulla and a warm tea with sun rays. This good weather keeps pulling my head, and now I have decided to drive around the city. Come with me. Now let's have some Finnish listening exercises. During the stop. Should be enough today. Let's go. Let's have a short coffee break. Again, it's snowing in the city. Now I just went out for a nice evening walk. Okay, it's time for the night routine. Yay! That's all for today. Thank you for watching.